Hello YouTube, I'm Dr. Fox. Today, I'm talking about when and how to announce your pregnancy. You may be very keen to tell your friends and family about being pregnant, but some think that they shouldn't tell people too early. So, what timings should you favor? Well, in the end, you can only really go by instinct. Choose an approach that suits you based on your situation and priorities, but don't feel pressured into moving before you are ready. Okay, question. When is it safe to announce pregnancy? The likelihood of a miscarriage occurring reduces quite considerably after the first trimester is over. As a result, many couples choose to wait until the most delicate stage has passed, which is generally the first 10 to 12 weeks. Some women do not mind announcing much earlier, while others prefer having a doctor confirm the pregnancy as well as the due date. The ultrasound tends to be performed in the first trimester, so the time scales are not much different. Further tests such as genetic screenings conducted around the same time offer expectant parents a little peace of mind before they decide to go public. Another choice might be to wait until you are sure about the sex of your baby, for which the ultrasound can inform you of between 16 and 20 weeks. If your pregnancy is not expected, you will probably have to think deeply on when and how to announce it. However, there may be signs that lead to people suspecting, such as morning sickness that disrupts your working environment. So many women find they have to at least inform their boss earlier on. As for informing your parents, many women tell their parents and other family members first and benefit from the support network this creates. These days, many women consider breaking the news in a special manner, like men often do with proposals, or even record the event to watch with their child in the future. Okay, next, how should you tell your friends? Similarly, you should do so in a manner that suits you. Friends can also provide a strong network of support during pregnancy, but there are other factors to take into account. For example, a friend who has lost their partner or in the past has lost a child or experienced fertility issues may find it difficult to hear your good news. Okay, lastly, when should you tell your employer? As previously mentioned, there may be certain physical limitations impacting your ability to work. Employers are required to have maternity policies designed to be supportive and compassionate, but failing to inform them may cause issues if you have time off or if your work suffers because you're encountering problems with certain symptoms. You can ask your employer for discretion and keep it from your colleagues, and it does no harm to discuss maternity leaves early on in the pregnancy. You'll naturally have to take some time off in a few months, and the sooner you notify your employer, the better. Okay, thank you for watching. See you soon.